Welcome to Green and Woke on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed this segment. The link to the entire podcast can be found in the description box. Here is the poached pear recipe. What you'll need is either a fresh pear, whole or chopped, and some apple or pear juice, or canned pears in juice, not syrup, fresh ginger, peeled and either grated or chopped into pieces, 2 key limes or 1 lime, and some ground cinnamon. This is how we'll do it. Put about 1/2 cup of apple or pear juice into a small saucepan. If using canned pears, drain the juice from the can into the saucepan. Set the pears aside for a bit. Add a small amount of water to the juice in the saucepan. With a fork, cheese grater, or zester, zest the lime or key limes. Set the zest aside for garnish. Squeeze the juice of the lime and key limes into a saucepan. Continue to simmer on low for about 40 minutes or until enough of the liquid has evaporated to create a thick syrup. Add your pear or chopped pears. With a spoon, drizzle some of the syrup over all the pears. Now cover with the lid and continue to simmer on low for about 30 minutes. Occasionally, move the pears around so as to coat all sides with the syrup. When the pears are soft and fully coated, serve in a small dessert bowl. Pour remaining syrup over the pears. If you like, you can grate some fresh ginger into the bowl. Sprinkle cinnamon and lime zest onto the pears for garnish. Enjoy!